Alright, so we just found a wolf spider covered in babies. I'm going to show you all what it looks like here. This is what wolf spiders do with their young.
Can you see how their little eyes glow in the film?
No, you can't see them glowing on the film.
I thought it was a fuzzy caterpillar. Yeah, don't touch her. Just leave her alone.
Well, I want to see them all explode off of her, but apparently they're holding on pretty tight. All of those little baby spiders.
Is that cool or what?
That's nuts.
Yeah, this is a big fuzzy caterpillar.
Oh, now you can see all their eyes glowing on the fucking film. What up? See how they look like a ball of eyes?
Yeah,
That's how you can see them in your yard.
I thought it was like a fuzzy ass caterpillar.
Awesome.